Hello all. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a basic module in Odoo, and in this video we will see how we can create init file and manifest file under our basic module. So how we can create our basic module? So for creating a basic module we just need to create any of the directory. So you can see I already created a V18 projects directory, and for creating a basic module we just need to press right click over here, and from new we just need to select any of the directory, and you can see we just need to put a name over here. So what we can put name? So in name we just need to give name for our basic module. So for now I am adding a school underscore management. So this will create basic module. So the name of the basic module is school underscore management, and under that how we can create init file and manifest file. So for creating a init file and manifest file we just need to press right click, and from new you can see the file option over here. So we can select it file, and how we can give name of the init file. So for that we just need to write underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. So what is init file define? So init file is tell Odoo that this is a Python package, and in init file what we need to include? So in init file we can include all the import process of the Python packages. So for now we don't have any Python packages, so we are now leave it blank. After that we move to creation of manifest file. So for creation of manifest file we just need to go to new, and from file we just need to write underscore underscore manifest underscore underscore dot py. So in manifest file what we need to include? So in manifest file we just need to include all the description related to our module. So what parameter we need to pass? So I already copy all the parameter what we need to pass. So I copy it and now paste it over here. So now you can see these are the all parameter what we need to include in the manifest file. So you can see the name. So in name we can assign our module name like a school underscore management, and below this I will add explanation like name parameter. So like this module name shows in Odoo. So below I will explain what is the explanation of this parameter. Now we move to our version. So in version we need to assign 18.0. Why we assign 18.0? Because we are creating this module in our version 80. If we create this module in version 70, so we just need to put 17.0. After that, like version, like our module version, example 18.0 or 17.0, something like that. The third parameter is summary. So what summary is defined? So summary is one line summary shown in the F view. So this is the summary parameter, and under summary parameter we need to pass any one line summary. So we can pass school management one line. After that we can see the fourth parameter is description parameter. So what we can assign in the description, like long description for our module. So what we need to add, like this is the module for managing school. So we already see what is the description. Now we move to author parameter. So author parameter is like a your name or company name. So for now I am adding my name as a Srujan Rawal as a author, And now we move to website parameter. So what is the website parameter? So website parameter define, this is the optional parameter. So what we need to add, we can add our website or our company website. So if we, for now I don't have any website, so I am removing this parameter from here. If we have, so we can pass it website parameter over here. Now we can move to the category parameter. So what category parameter defines? So category parameter defines is like a module category. So if we creating a module for sales purpose, so we can pass category as a sales. If we creating for accounting, so we can pass it accounting. So for now I am not creating for any parameter, so we can leave it blank or we can remove it over here. So for now I am removing it. Under depends, what we can pass? So after that we can see the depends parameter. In the depends parameter we pass the list of modules these modules depends on. So for now this module is not dependent on any of the module, so we only pass this base parameter over here. And if we want to any mail feature over here, so we can pass it like a mail. But for now we are not depends on any of the module, so we just remove and put it only base. Now we can move the data parameter. So what we can add in the data parameter? So data parameter define is like we can load all the XML files over here, or views or security. So what is the view file and what is the security file, we can show in the next video. For now you got a knowledge what we need to add in the data parameter. After that we show a demo parameter over here. So what is the demo parameter? So demo parameter is like a demo data. So what we need to pass, if we created any demo data which we want that this module got installed and we already want any demo data over here, so we can create a XML file and we need to create that in the demo file. After that you can see the installable parameter. So what installable parameter defines? Wait a minute. So installable parameter is like a if false cannot install. So in the any of the module we just need to pass installable parameter as a true. After that we can move to auto install parameter. So what we need to pass in the auto install? If true, like you can see the false over here, and if true, so when auto install happen, if the dependency is met, like if the dependent module, so for now in that the only base module is on the dependence, but if we pass any sales or accounting module, so if this dependency met, if we pass this auto install as a true, so this module got automatically installed. And now we move to the another parameter called application. So what application parameter define? So application parameter is like a shows up as a top level app in the dashboard if true. So if we pass this parameter as a true, so it will show in the top level in the dashboard. So using this you can pass the application, and now we can move the license. So this is the license of our module. So this is the license of our module, and what are the recommended license. So I edit recommended license like LGPL 3 or OEEL 1. So these are the parameter we need to pass in our basic module, and these are the explanation what we already pass in the manifest file. So using this technique you can create init file and manifest file in the basic module. Now in the next module we will see how we can create a models or view file or security files, and I will provide this module link in the description, so it will easy for you to understand, or you can download from my GitHub. So thanks for watching.